In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a picture to a custom shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation's visual appeal or just have some fun with design, mastering this simple trick can make a big difference. Don't worry if you're new to PowerPoint or have never tried this before. I'll guide you through each step, and before you know it, you'll be cropping images like a pro. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're using a version that supports picture editing features, though most recent editions do. Once you've opened PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation where you'd like to incorporate your custom shaped image. With your presentation open, look towards the top of your screen for the ribbon of tabs and click on the Insert tab. This is your go-to spot for adding new elements to your slides, such as images, shapes, charts, and more. From there, click on Shapes. You'll see a drop-down menu offering a variety of shape options. Now comes the creative part. Click on Freeform from the menu. This option allows you to draw your custom shape directly on the slide. You can click to create points and lines, essentially sketching out the exact shape you'd like to use. Feel free to experiment and create any shape that suits your needs for the presentation. If you're not entirely happy with your first attempt at drawing, no worries. You can easily undo and try again. After crafting your custom shape, right-click on it. A context menu will appear offering various options for interacting with your shape. Look for and choose Format Shape. This will open a formatting pane on the right side of your screen. Within this pane, select the option labeled Picture or Texture Fill. This is where the magic happens. You're going to overlay your chosen image onto the custom shape you've just created. Next, click Insert and select from a file. This will allow you to browse the picture stored on your computer. Take a moment to find the perfect picture that you want to use. It could be a photo that complements your presentation or something fun and personal. The choice is yours. Once you've found the image, select it and click Insert. Your picture will fill the custom shape you drew, creating a unique effect and enhancing your presentation's visual appeal. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped an image into a custom shape in PowerPoint. Play around with different shapes and pictures to add more personalized touches to your slides. You can also experiment with shadows, outlines, and 3D effects to make your custom shapes even more eye-catching. This technique is a fun way to elevate your presentation and make it stand out to your audience. Happy presenting!